Winter storm warning?
Here's a winter weather statement for the following counties: Somerset County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service College has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect until 8 a.m. Wednesday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Location: Somerset County. Hazard types: snow. Accumulations: 3 to 5 inches by daybreak in the valleys, with up to an additional 8 inches on the ridgetops. Timing: through 8 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: untreated roads and walkways will be snow and slush covered as temperatures hover just below freezing through the rest of the overnight. Winds south to southwest to west 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Winds become west at the same speed toward daybreak. Temperatures nearly steady around 30 degrees. Visibilities varying between 1/2 of a mile and 1 mile. Visibility may be near zero at times on the ridgetops and heavy snow and dense fog. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means a significant amount of snow is forecast that will make travel dangerous. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, blanket, and a cellular phone in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at weather.gov/State College. At 11